everybody! So today I am sitting here with Suzanne Hall from the Chalkboard Mag. She is co-founder and editor-in-chief, and she knows everything there is to know about wellness with a capital W, because she is in the epicenter of wellness here in LA and has pretty much everything new and cutting edge and amazing sent to her. So today we're going to be talking about what I eat in a day, or actually what Suzanne eats in a day. Okay, so Suzanne, I'm excited about this.
I wish you were sharing yours as well.
Well, you know what? I'm sure I'll have some comments as you go through, like I always do.
So I will just kind of start at the beginning, because I don't really eat square meals very much, especially in the morning. Okay. So in the morning, everything starts with a ton of water. Yeah. Right?
Good for you.
We talked about this in another video we did together, but I love really high quality mineral water, especially sparkling. I'll usually do 2 bottles or giant glasses of water and maybe one of these in the morning before I get to the office, before I start.
Oh yeah. My gosh, that's why she's got such an amazing skin.
Well, I like to really start the day right, and then it seems so much easier the rest of the day to get hydrated.
Do you drink coffee or tea in the morning?
And then that's the thing. I drink so much coffee. So I think maybe the water is like the
I think it's your I think it's her way of going, I'm just going to do the water so I can get to the coffee. Oh, 100%. But this is in another video. We discussed how this is it Gerolsteiner or Gerolsteiner?
I call it Gerolsteiner, but it could be Gerolsteiner.
But it has a lot of minerals in it, and a lot of mineral water isn't really mineral water because it just is fake mineral water. But this brand, Gerolsteiner, and also Pellegrino, which Suzanne has taught me, actually contains all the minerals and a lot of magnesium. Okay, so then what's next?
So then what I drink in the morning until through most of the workday, if I'm in the office, I just drink beverages.
A lot of coffee.
And most of it has espresso in it. So my favorite food group on earth is what we call the superfood latte, right? So at times the coffee just completely leaves the latte because I get so excited about the other ingredients. I really use it as kind of a way to add all these great supplements and adaptogens to my diet.
Perfect.
In a really wonderful, warm, almond milk latte. Oh. What could be better?
Yes.
So I brought some of the things that I use in that. At times I'll use a protein powder, right? There are some really great ones.
What, in your coffee?
Yes.
What?
Okay, so it always includes almond milk, which is wonderful. Whatever nut milk, hemp milk I love too.
Yes, or oat milk.
And usually half calf espresso to kind of tamp it down, because I'll usually have 2.
She's got her cocktail down, clearly. But wait a minute, you put protein powder in a coffee?
I am telling you, I'm so excited to share this with everyone, because you might try it and hate it. I feel like my palate is a little weird when it comes to wellness food.
Okay, but
chocolate peanut butter protein powder by Amazing Greens, for example.
Yes.
Full of greens.
We'll link underneath to that.
You could never imagine throwing greens in your coffee, but it's this delicious chocolate peanut butter flavor. It blends right into your almond milk. There are a ton, as you guys know, there's a ton of chocolate protein powders. Put them in your latte.
Oh, brilliant. Well, I'm going to try it.
It's life-changing. Okay, but on top of that kind of base, there are a number of things that kind of come in and out of the loop on any given day. One I love, which you were telling me you have some news for me on, is Tocos. I'm also just obsessed with the packaging.
Oh, it's so sexy. That packaging,
But Tocos is basically rice bran solubles. It's really packed with vitamin E. Yeah. Tell me what you wanted to
No, I just wanted to say one thing. I actually love this, and I actually have a bag of it in my kitchen. But the one thing that a lot of people have had a question about, and I actually have spoken to our friends at Sun Potion, is that because it's rice bran, there is this big thing about arsenic in rice right now.
Sure.
And so some people want to minimize the amount of rice that they have, but it really also very much depends on where the rice is grown and sourced. And Sun Potion is a really, really stellar brand. This is incredible, this stuff, just want to say, because you can mix it up with a plant-based milk or even a plant-based yogurt, but a plant-based milk, and it thickens it into like a pudding-like consistency that is so full of protein and vitamin E, and then put sliced bananas and fruits. It's incredible. So,
or to be honest, you can even eat this off the spoon.
Oh, you can?
If you want to just put other things in your latte and not thicken it too much. I eat this off the spoon, and it tastes like vanilla frosting to me. Okay, this is another fun one. Have you heard of these guys? Golden Glow, Golden Milk.
Yeah.
This is turmeric with cacao.
Ooh.
It's so good in a latte, you wouldn't believe, because you're adding cacao, which is a far more traditional ingredient to add to your latte.
Full of minerals.
But also turmeric. So it's a hugely anti-inflammatory, mineral-rich, vitamin-rich thing to add to your latte. So this is kind of one of those things you can use to mix it up. It's not every day for me because it's such a specific flavor, but...
And that is, the brand is called
Golden Glow.
Golden Glow, link underneath.
Yes.
Great. All right.
So many other things I put in there, but another I wanted to mention was Yin Power.
Yeah.
It's another Sun Potion product. It's a ton of adaptogens, mushrooms, and pearl.
Oh,
which
and pearl is beautiful for your skin.
So exciting. Okay, so my next beverage might be something like this, but I also love this spicy lemon water.
Love it, obsessed.
It's so wonderful, and I add a ginger shot to it.
Oh, and we showed that in another video. So that's pressed juicery, you know, link underneath this, but those are just absolute staples.
So
staples for anti-inflammatory. Also give you that lovely kick throughout the day. All right, we're going on to, let's go to, no, we'll save the sweets until last.
Okay.
What's
so this is actually more of like a dinner thing for me, right? I might mix snacks in throughout my day, but I'm like beverage heavy.
Okay, yes.
At night, my favorite thing ever is just the hugest green salad, right? So I actually stopped at Erewhon and got the Erewhon salad bar kind of situation, which is a wonderful...
But, Suzanne, can I just say something? My Erewhon salad bar, and by the way, fully compostable, recyclable, everything, just saying, but I pack mine.
Oh, I
What's going on with this?
No.
I mean,
this is just a cute example for the television audience.
Okay, because mine is like I can barely get the lid on.
Oh, for sure. No, I have a giant like cake mixing bowl at home that is my favorite salad bowl.
Oh, I know. And then I load things like, I love it when they have like the baked pita chips. And great chunks of sweet potato. I go for the heavy carbs.
Yes, it barely qualifies as a salad once you're done with it.
Once you're done with the dressings. But anyway, so we do that. Then what are you adding?
So greens, I like to make my own salad dressing, usually with like a dark mustard, olive oil, as many herbs as you can fit in there.
Yes, fresh herbs, all those phytonutrients.
Always an avocado, if not half a whole avocado.
Yeah.
And then sometimes I like to bump my salad dressing up with hummus.
It's a brilliant idea, and I just learned it.
So it's like a thin hummus, or like a thick salad dressing, whatever way you see it. Or you just put this on the side to make it almost more of like a meze platter meets salad.
I love it. And what I do is I put it in a blender with a bunch of lemon juice, a little bit of water, and it thins it out, and then you have this delicious oil-free dressing.
Exactly. This is my favorite brand. This is Majestic.
Oh, I haven't tried it. Gotta try. It's Majestic, okay.
Majestic, it's sprouted.
Oh, I love sprouted hummus.
And this flavor is actually goji berry, which is wild.
What?
I know.
All right, I'm taking that home. That's mine.
So I actually hadn't seen the goji berry flavor before.
I've never seen that before.
I cannot wait to try it.
So innovative.
Okay, this is definitely controversial in my world, especially for my husband, who doesn't appreciate that I open cans of sardines.
Because they smell quite potent.
They smell terrible.
Yes.
But they're so incredibly healthy for you. So there's a lot of controversy right now about seafood, right? Everyone knows that cold water fish are incredibly good for your brain and for your heart, but the further you go up the food chain, the more dangerous.
The bigger the fish, the more pollutants.
Yes, and with all the radiation that's happened in Japan over the past, decades. So sardines are very low on the food chain. Usually,
tiny.
The brands you get are from very, northern European countries.
Yes,
so they're safer waters.
Yeah.
And these are just, it's like taking a supplement.
Brand?
I don't know.
Okay.
I get just any brand, to tell you the truth. That's not true. I get any brand from a couple specific grocery stores.
Yeah, and there's there's actually a lot of Portuguese brands that are very good. So obviously you vegans, you won't be eating sardines, but if you're not vegan and you do eat fish, I would 1,000,000% agree with you that the healthiest fish you could eat would be sardine or anchovy, because they're both tiny. And sardines, I was raised on sardines, and my mum used to make they sound so gross, but it was so delicious, sardine sandwiches.
Yes.
And she would mash up sardines with a little bit of mayo, I know it sounds gross, but it was really delicious, and salt and pepper, and put it in a little sort of sandwich with watercress.
Oh, so
Can you imagine? And that was just, anyway, so that's that.
So this is not for everyone, right?
No.
Definitely try it. And
better than tuna. Better than
for
tuna,
dinner, I'll make everything that I made. I'll just throw it in a nori wrap, a seaweed wrap. You're getting all the nutrition of the nori,
Suzanne.
But you throw a salad in here, or you throw leftover quinoa or whatever.
Brilliant idea.
And you'll be like so happy because you have these little hand rolls.
Yeah, so that's nori seaweed. They come in dried sheets, and the great thing about that is that you're getting all this iodine, which is so important for your thyroid. So that is a brilliant
You're
tip.
Not eating any grain.
No, I'm definitely doing that. All right, now we're on to sweets and candies. So tell us about these two.
So I love Justin's peanut butter cups, and I will still eat them. However, I am partial to Unreal, the brand. I love their mission and what they're trying to do to get these kind of appealing to children.
Yes.
And portion control wise, I will definitely eat 2 Justin's peanut butter cups like this.
Yes.
Like I could just go nonstop with those. These are tiny little cups, one package, so it helps you kind of slow your roll on these. And they're also almond butter, which I much prefer peanut butter.
Isn't that great? I love the way you go slow your roll, because you've actually, they take a little bit of getting into.
And it's a little extra packaging, which isn't great, but
it doesn't matter. It slows the roll, and it's
good for me.
And it's great for kids. My daughter, my teenage daughter, is absolutely obsessed with those.
So good.
Now these I can't even, because I ate one of these just before we started rolling the camera, and I can't. I'm just absolutely obsessed with them.
Normally to me, I associate a lot of these coconut candies with a lot of really bad ingredients. I think for me, growing up, a lot of coconut candies had a lot of really bad, easily rancid
fats
oils.
And oils, yeah.
This is very clean. It's basically shaved coconut, super clean, no added oils.
And it's probably unsweetened as well.
Yes, and then it's dipped in really dark chocolate, and it's just the best.
It's got has it got a little bit of sea salt?
Little monk fruit as sweetener.
Oh my gosh.
They're very good, and they're super satisfying.
And this brand I love, Alter Eco, is such a great brand because they're doing good in the world as well, which is amazing. Wow.
So
okay.
It's like, if you're the kind of girl, I think most of us are, you have a little chocolate after dinner. This is an alternative, so you don't get bored.
Honestly, I mean, just wonderful tips, wonderful advice, and all these little kind of go-to great products that we'll link underneath the video. If you haven't already, see some of the other videos in our series, because Suzanne and I have done a little series here, and I honestly think we're going to have to make this a regular thing.
Sure,
if you want us to make it, want us to make it a regular thing, let us know, because Suzanne gets all these really great products that I don't know about, and then I'll tell her about some of the products she doesn't know about, and together we can share all of our findings with you. So let us know if you enjoyed this, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys. Hi, thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, there are hundreds more. And please also visit my blog at sophieuliano.com for detailed reviews, recipes, DIYs, and more.